Presentation and Speech Work 11.1 Unit 2.
Speak right.
Consonant contrasts sh and ch. Today we'll contrast consonants sh and ch. Listen to how the sounds are made. Sh, 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 ch, ch, ch. Sh is spelled with the letters sh. It can also be spelled with ti, ssi, and ci. Ch is a combination of sh and the plosive t. It's spelled mainly with the letters ch, but it can also be spelled with ti, tu, and tch. Listen as the sounds are being contrasted. Sh, ch, sh, ch, sh, ch. Did you notice the difference between the two sounds? Although those sounds are produced with the tongue resting on the palate and the alveolar, they are called palate alveolar sounds. One is said with more force than the other. So while we say sh is voiceless, ch is voiced. Let us take some contrasting word examples. Share, chair. Passion, passion. Crush, crutch. Wash, watch. Fraction, fracture. Can you think of more contrasting word examples? Listen now to these sentences with some contrasting word examples. It takes a fraction of a minute to get a fracture. Can we share the chair? Watch as I wash the dishes. It's a lush place to have lunch. Can a witch grant you a wish? I'm your speech coach, Chris Nkwocha. Own it, use it. Speak the English the world understands.